Hello and welcome to the Resurrection College Prep High School Bookstore. The first step you're going to do is go ahead and type in reshs.textbookhub.com. It's going to bring you to this landing page here. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click Sign in with Google. The students are going to log in with their school Google account. Once they have logged in, they're going to land onto their bookshelf, and there is going to be a message. It says you must purchase your mandatory books before August 19, 2021. Visit the bookstore to make your payments. If you need any assistance, please contact us at support@textbookhub.com or 1-855-779-4928. If you look at the left-hand side, you're going to go ahead and see the bookstore. You're going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to open into a new tab. Once here, you're going to see two different things. You're going to see My Required Digital Books and My Required Print Books. Now, automatically, the digital books are going to be added into your cart right here. If I go back, the My Required Print Books, you're going to go ahead and click on it, and there is going to be a note. So for example, it says this book is required for class but is optional to buy in our store. So if this is a book you want to buy in our store, you can go ahead and click Add to Cart. If you already have it, or if you want to purchase it elsewhere, you do not have to add it to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, you can go ahead and click your cart and click Checkout. Once here, you're going to go ahead and type in your billing address and your shipping address. And you're going to hit Save and Continue. The next steps are going to take you into shipping, which gives you various options of how fast you want your shipping to be, and payment. After that, you can place your order and it will be complete. Again, if you have any questions or concerns regarding the bookstore, you can always contact support@textbookhub.com, or you can call 1-855-779-4928. Happy shopping!